Okay, children, we are talking about the IR sensor. It looks like this. It has one white LED and black LED, and it has three pins: VCC, ground, and out pin. So VCC is 5 volts, ground is ground, and out pin goes to one of the digital pins. First connections we'll make is VCC and ground. So we'll put the sensor somewhere here. Yeah, and we connect the 5 volt to the breadboard first from the Arduino. Yeah. So 5 volt is the fourth pin from here. 1, 2, 3, 4th. 5 volt, and the ground, the red line, and one of the ground pins to the ground here. Now I got the power to the breadboard. Now from the breadboard I have to give it to the sensor. So I take another wire from the red light, anywhere on the red line, from anywhere on the red line to the VCC. Yeah, and anywhere from the blue line, which is ground, to the ground pin. There you go. So can you see one LED coming up here? The moment I power it, one of the LEDs, there may be two LEDs coming up for somebody, but at least one should come up. Okay, that means you powered this fine. Now what is remaining? The third pin, right? The out pin. I'll connect there to one of the digital pins here on the Arduino. Let's choose pin number 8. Okay, I connected. Now coming to the code part, I wrote a little code which is again the setup section, the loop section. I'm using the pin number 8 as an input. I'm digital reading pin from 8 and storing in a light value. So I'm printing the light variable with some delay. Let's see what is the light value coming now. Light value is coming 1. Okay, so if I see here, if I put my hand here, is changing 0 here, 0, right? So if sometimes it may not change to 0. If you see here, I'm putting my hand and there is another LED coming up, right? And the value in the serial monitor is 0. If I take my hand off here, the LED is off and the value is 1. If for whatever the reason the value doesn't change, you have to take a screwdriver like this, like small one, and you have to adjust the potentiometer. For example, you put it there. See, if you see this is off, if I put my hand, it's not having any impact in there. So what you do, you adjust this, you keep going, turn in the one direction until that one is on, right? When it is on, try to come back a little bit back so that it is off. So it's just the point where one side it is off, the other side it is on. You have to find that point. That point is different for every sensor depending on the light in your room, depending on the sunshine outside, and all those scenarios. So you have to find that point. You have to find a point where you turn that way, it is on, you turn that way, it is off. Just tiny twist will make it on off. Okay, that's called calibration. So at the moment it is, so it's flickering. Maybe I have to just adjust time. Now it is off. What is the value I'm getting here in the serial monitor? 1. Okay, when I put my hand here, the LED has come on and the value I'm getting is 0. When I take my hand off, the LED is off and the value I'm getting is 1. So don't worry about either getting 0 or 1. The thing is, the value whatever is coming without the hand, without any obstruction, it should change when you put the obstruction. Okay, if you are getting 1, when you put your hand, you should get 0. If you are already getting 0, if you put hand, you should get 1. So it should toggle. Okay, that's the objective here. Try this at home and we'll discuss tomorrow.